going on YouTube? I was in the middle of doing a customization and something messed up with my recording, so what ended up happening was I lost my intro footage. So there isn't really much to show for how bad of condition that these sandals were in. These are them so far. They're in a lot better condition than what they were. Super sparkly. They're not all completely done. That's why you don't see any shininess or sparkles in here. And it's not crisp enough lines, but yeah, they're not done yet. That's just some progress. But if you stay tuned, I'll try to see what I can come up with for transitions and visuals and try to make a good video still with what's left. Alright, we'll see you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Alright guys, so this is everything you need. 400 grit sandpaper, 800, 1500, acetone, adhesive promoter, Angelus paint, dollar, or any type of finish, matte finisher by Krylon. Alright, so let's get started.
Okay guys, so where I am right now is I sanded this down with 400 grit right here, so 400 grit, and then I used acetone and I got most of the stuff off. Now if you look, I can be able to see because I have it on manual focus, but in these cracked areas right here, like the bent areas, you see it all the way around the shoe, that's the really high traffic areas, so paint will start to wear and crack there. So you want to sand that area very, very good. So I'm going to give this whole thing a really good sand again, then I will acetone one more time to make sure everything is clean and it's good to go, and then it'll be prepped. Then I'll throw on some adhesion promoter and we'll be good to go. Okay, everything that could have went wrong with these customs went wrong. So this isn't like a leather material. It's like a really soft. I'm going to lay a base coat of black down, and then I will lay these down. So I'm going to mix these two together. It's Paradise Purple, Pearlescent Prince Purple.